If you've ever laughed too hard, sneezed, or jumped and leaked a little, you're not alone. What you're watching here is the pelvic floor chair in action. Those tiny vibrations you see, they're actually powerful electromagnetic pulses targeting the exact muscles that help you control your bladder. Most women never train their pelvic floor, but this chair does 11,000 kegels in 30 minutes. That's why so many of our patients say that this treatment changed their life. Less leaking, more confidence, and yeah, better intimacy too. Ask us how the pelvic floor chair at True Solace could help you feel stronger, more in control, and way more free.